Hey guys, Justin here coming at you in the 2x4 grow tent with another unboxing video. This one is another one from Unit Farm. As you know, they had sent me several of their lights and I will be unboxing those over time here, fitting them in with the rest of the unboxings that I've been doing. But let's get this one underway. I just grabbed one of them. I don't even know which one this is, so we're going to find out together what is in this box. But as usual, we've got the watt meter, the par meter, the heat meter, the meter, and baby katana. So we can get that and get into the box. Let's get the meters out of the way. And we will go into opening the box. So of course, this is from Amazon. So it is very likely going to be a box in a box. We shall see. And it is. Pull that out of the way. Get the big box out of here. All right. There we go. Get that centered. It looks like UFL 3000 watt or 3000 W grow light. It's definitely not 3000 watt. But UFL 3000 is what we're looking at, I believe here. Baby katana making quick work of everything here. This one will probably flip over and pull out pretty easily. There we go. Got the instructions. There's our Unit Farm family. Info about all their different lights that they offer. Feel free to pause that if you'd like to read it over. It says suggested hanging heights, just technical specs and stuff like that. It does have the 3-year basic warranty on it. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh yeah. Nice. That is super nice. Check that out. That is a nice looking board. You know, I did use the other Unit Farm. I think this is basically just 2 of the last one that I tested. Maybe a little bit more than 2. Because it looks like maybe there's like maybe another couple of inches in between here. But I did actually use that light when I moved to my new house here. And it did really well to veg my little plants, my little clones that I had. I just threw them in a closet and threw this light in there, and it's super low profile, so I mean it was super easy. And this one, again, is going to be super low profile. Look at this. It does not get any more low profile than this board. That is amazing. Hell yeah, that's why I like these. I really like them. It's just metal and a board, and then you can mount the driver wherever you want. Super, super nice. And you can see this does have some of that water resistant coating on it. Although not as thick as I've seen on a lot of the units, but it does have it. So let's see what else we got. Of course, standard power cord, pair of rope ratchets with the hanging kit, plastic geared rope ratchets, pretty standard for the cheap stuff. And then we've got their driver. It's like a Dell laptop driver from 1992, but that's it's not really what it is, but it kind of looks like it. But that's your power supply, and you can mount that pretty much anywhere because you've got like 6 feet of cord here, another 6 feet of cord here, so you got like 12 feet. Mount this thing easily outside the tent, at least set it on top of the tent, run the wire inside. That's what I usually do with my drivers. So pretty cool setup. There's not much else in here, so let's go ahead and fire this sucker up and see what kind of numbers she puts out. That's actually really cool. It fits, you can see length or widthwise. You could run like, I'd say like 3 of these in here. That would be incredible. Absolutely incredible. One right here, one right here, one right here. Bam, killing the game. I'm already calling it. But yeah, let's get this sucker hooked up, see what she puts out. All right, we are back and we've got this thing all hooked up and ready to go. Check it out. It is looking real nice. That is a sharp looking board. Oh, we got a UV right there hanging out. Got red, cool white, warm white, and then that one UV chilling. And like I was saying, low profile. That doesn't even describe it, man. Look at that. That's ultra low profile. I mean, of course, you can mount it way up high on your tent. You'd want to probably leave, I'd say, at least like 4 to 6 inches for some airflow. Just to get some airflow in there. If you had a fan to cool it, something like that. AC Infinity actually sells a fan that you could set on top of here, and it would blow onto it or pull heat off of it, whichever way you put it. But yeah, this is pretty slick. Pretty slick. I dig it. So, another thing about these, they said to let them warm up. It actually gets stronger the more you let it warm up. It's kind of the opposite of some of the other drivers that are out there, that when they get hot, they lose power. This one doesn't get full power until it's all the way warmed up. So, right now, I've got it full blast because there is no other way. There's no dimmer. So it is pulling 201 watts, and they claim 200 watts, give or take 3%, I think it was, on their form. And another thing too, these are Osram diodes. Right there, the UFL 3000. So it does have quite the color spectrum as well. 2 different reds, cool white, warm white, and then that one single UV diode. So pretty slick. Let's see what she pulls. All right, 726. That's pretty good. We're at 16 inches, of course. Let me grab the meter. There we are, 16 inches. Yeah, 727. That's nice. Let's go out to the very edge here. The edge of the panel. 467. A little bit light, but consider this is a 2x2 light. Even if I put light reflection there, we're at 500, which is flower territory. You can definitely get decent buds with 500. So let's go to the inside. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare. 536. I will take that all day long. Go to the other edge of the light. Same sort of deal. Yep, 500. Far corner. Looking at 537. So, yeah, this is a full-on 2x2 flower light. Actually, a really nice 2x2 flower light. In fact, for 200 watts, not too bad. And the low profile just crushes it, man. That's really what does it for me, is that low profile. Killing the game, man. Love it. There's not really much else to do other than let this sucker warm up, and because there's no dimmer, so I can't really test it at other voltages or wattages, excuse me. Yeah, let's let it warm up. All right, we are back and we have got the temp gun out. Try and hit the sticker there. .130, 132-ish. Get out in the middle here. 127, 128, 129. Seems to be a little bit warmer at this end, but pretty standard as far as this goes, as far as heat. Bottom side. Oh, I can't really get anything hotter. 131. So yeah, it's a pretty decently thick piece of metal, but the whole thing is just super thin. I'd say put a fan just blowing on top of it, just like any of these fanless units. Just drop a fan in here or an active exhaust. Like there's no exhaust in here right now, but yeah, throw an active exhaust in there and point it at this. I think it'd work great. 2x2, killing the game with these kind of numbers. 500 to 700 all day long. You're only pushing 200 watts. It's not going to be a whole lot to cool anyway, especially with the driver outside. Pretty good deal. I don't know, click the link below if you want to check it out or get one for yourself, but I think it's a pretty good deal for a 2x2, honestly. That's pretty much it for this review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, happy growing.